Welcome everybody, this is a video of our Audi A1 Sport hatchback, 5-door, black edition. This carries the full S-Line pack and is extremely high specification, as you'll see as I go around the car. So it carries the unique alloys which were on the black edition pack, full S-Line body styling. The alloys are in superb condition. The body itself is really clean. There are maybe one or two small stone chips on the front of the car. It's quite low mileage for its age, and it really presents extremely well with the black paintwork having deep glossy shine. As I go around, you will see the wheels are all really good, and no parking dents or door dents whatsoever. We have one area of lacquer peel on the rear bumper. I'm going to zoom in on that one just here. This will be repaired by our body shop before delivery. We tend to leave things so that people can see them before we repair them, so they don't think we've done major repairs to any car. And you'll see down the side panels there, this car is extremely straight, no marks or dents whatsoever. Same as we go around this side. Car was actually traded in against an Evoque, as the customer was looking to go for a larger vehicle. Again, you'll see the wheels are in superb condition. It has the privacy glass on the rear, and it also has the panoramic roof fitted to this model, which was an option. If I move to the inside of the car, this is where it's quite impressive. It has the grey Napa sports seats. You'll see in a second with the one-piece backs, so they're the high back sports seats. It is the flat bottom Audi S-Line steering wheel. You'll see the car has just covered a touch under 40,000 miles from new, and is fitted with the tech pack, which gives it navigation and the high-end Bose sound system. Really is a very high specification car, this one. Almost no options left to tick. It was a dealer demonstrator originally. It was sold from the dealer demo fleet to the first owner. You see there now, these are the high back sport seats, which are really impressive, very special in a car of this size. It is a diesel engine, very economical, but very sporty with it as well. Just a beautiful car. It is due a service. We will be servicing the car before delivery for the new owner. It had recent new tyres on the front and plenty of tread on the rear. So please call us in the office if you're interested in the car on 01666 504 505. The car is available for viewing at our showroom in the Cotswolds near Tetbury by appointment. And obviously, of course, you can test drive it at the same time. So we'll look forward to hearing from you.